100 plus side hustle ideas to make $500. When you ask most people why they don't have a side hustle yet, they will say they don't have ideas. So here is a huge list of ideas to get you started. Most of them don't require a special skill set or a large amount of capital. Grocery, food delivery service. You can deliver takeout orders or groceries using DoorDash and Instacart. People generally earn $10 to $25 an hour, and the schedule is flexible. Notary public service. The cost of notary certification is less than $100 and it is given by the state. You can become a loan signing agent or choose to notarize documents and charge what you want. Rental properties. Investing in real estate is an old and popular side hustle. Platforms such as Roofstock have made it easier to own income-generating properties. Become a virtual assistant. Find clients who are looking for administrative assistance and offer the services at a fee. VAS earn about $15 to $45 an hour and you get to work from home. Online surveys. You definitely won't get rich doing online surveys, but it is a good way to earn some money when you have time to kill. Customer interviews. These can earn you $50 to $100 an hour. Try platforms like Respondent.io and user interviews. Flip items for profit like eBay. Buy low and sell high. Resell on Amazon. You can look for great deals locally, then resell the items on Amazon. Blogging. This can be difficult, but it is a great way to share ideas and earn some money while doing it. Affiliate marketing. Refer your website audience to buy online products and earn a commission every time they make a purchase. Alternative investing. These include vehicles such as cryptocurrency, business lending, real estate crowdfunding, and peer-to-peer lending. Fundrise is a good example of an alternative investing platform. Credit card rewards. Banks offer rewards such as cash back and sign-up bonuses. However, remember to be responsible so you don't hurt your credit score. Tax preparation, accounting, bookkeeping service. Many businesses could use some help with their finances and accounting. If you have an accounting background, this is a great side hustle. Teach an online course. Get on an online education platform like Udemy and teach something you're really good at. You can also create a course and sell it to your students directly without signing up on any education platform. Baking. Why not turn your passion for baking into a money-making opportunity? You can even provide desserts for events in your area. Losing weight. Sites such as Healthy Wage will actually pay you to lose weight. Get healthy and earn some money while at it. Raw land flipping. This is actually a good business model because you won't have to deal with issues such as repairs, rodents, and tenants. Book flipping. Your old books could be worth more than you think. Use the Book Scouter app to find out. Field agent. With the Field Agent app, you get paid to complete tasks in your local area. The tasks are really simple, like photographing a store. Tutoring. Is there a subject you are good at? Use platforms like WiseAnt to help a student learn and make money. Pick up trash. It is one of the easiest side hustles. Focus grouping. Find companies that facilitate focus groups. Rent out your garage or attic. Find someone who needs extra storage like a neighbor. Airbnb hosting, co-hosting. Rent out your extra room to people visiting your town on Airbnb. Make new friends and money at the same time. And with Airbnb Arbitrage, you don't even have to own the property. Private labeling. Identify a hot-selling product, then introduce your own similar product to the market. Rent out your car. You can use companies such as Turo and get around to rent out your car. Kindle publishing. Sell your ebooks on the largest online store in the world. Part-time remote work. Find remote gigs on FlexJobs and earn money while working from your couch. Become an adjunct professor. You will need to have a graduate degree. Teach online or use pre-recorded lectures. Sell on Etsy. Etsy is the best place to sell your handcrafted goods. Become a TaskRabbit. If you have a lot of time on your hands, run errands for other people via TaskRabbit. Proofreading. Sign up on Upwork and find a proofreading gig. You can make a good amount. Ride-sharing. If you are not very busy, drive other people around via Uber or Lyft. Grocery delivery. Get the Instacart app and deliver groceries in your local town. You can make up to $25 an hour. Sell on Fiverr. This is an amazing platform to sell your services, article writing, website optimization, book cover designing, and so much more. Print-on-demand t-shirts. If you have some cool t-shirt design ideas, bring them to life on Teespring and earn some cash. Create an e-commerce store. Sell your own products on eBay or Amazon. Ghostwriting. People are always in need of writing services. Sports coaching. See if your local school team needs a coach. Podcasting. Starting a podcast is not that expensive. You can make money through sponsorships once you have a large audience. Pool cleaning service. Make money while enjoying your summer outdoors. Knife sharpening. Every home has knives and they could become repeat customers. Alterations. If you are good with a sewing machine, this is a great side hustle idea. Caregiving or child care. Offer to babysit your neighbor's kids or venture into elder care and use a site like care.com to find customers. Brand ambassadorship. Most big brands could use help with on-the-ground marketing and they will pay you well. Build niche websites. Find a very specific topic and create a website to cover it. You can earn money through affiliate relationships and advertising. Build an authority website. An authority site can withstand the constant Google algorithm changes better than a niche site. Car flipping. If you are good with cars and are confident in your negotiation skills, this can become a lucrative side hustle for you. Car wash, detailing. You don't need a lot of money to start a mobile detailing service. Carpet cleaning. For anyone looking for a simple business that doesn't require a large capital, this is a good option. Cooking and catering. Turn your passion for cooking into a catering business. You can start with a platform like Eatwith where you charge to host meals. Commercial or residential cleaning service. Every business could use cleaning services so you won't have a hard time finding customers. Computer repair service. Almost everyone owns a computer. Offer your maintenance and repair services to local businesses and individuals. Computer tutoring. Most people still lack technical computer skills. Look for them and teach them at a fee. Coaching, consulting. You can be a consultant for pretty much anything, as long as you're good at it. Sign up on platforms like Clarity.fm and get started. Pet sitting. Take care of people's pets when they're away. You can sign up on Rover.com to get started. Resume and cover letter service. Many job seekers could use some help with their cover letters and resumes. Craigslist Arbitrage. There are so many inefficiencies on sites like Craigslist. If you can find them, you can exploit them for profit. Craigslist gigs. There is a gig section on Craigslist. See if you can do some of the listed tasks. Marketing service for small business. Small companies often struggle with marketing when they are just starting out, especially when it comes to social media and other online platforms. Customer service. Companies are starting to outsource their customer service and you can work from home. Dividend investing. Find companies that pay dividends and invest in them, then build up your portfolio slowly. Niche newsletter. Source your best articles and curate email newsletters for your readers. Monetize them with affiliate offers or ads. Try using a tool like SendFox. Dog walking. Some people don't have time to walk their dogs, and you can offer to do it for them. Doula service. You can make up to $1,000 per birth. Drop shipping. With this business model, you can process sales without having to touch the product. Estate sale service. Handle estate sales and get a portion of the proceeds. Event DJ. Live DJs are still on demand. Freelancing. During your free time, sell your services on Fiverr or FreeUp. Furniture making. Don't let your carpentry skills go to waste. Build and sell handcrafted furniture. Furniture flipping. Find expensive furniture on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. You can then fix the pieces and sell them at a profit. Graphic design. Sell your skills on DesignCrowd, CrowdSpring or 99 Designs. Handyman Service. If you are a handyman, sign up on TaskRabbit to find customers. Home inspection service. You will need certification, but it is a nice flexible side hustle. Mobile mechanic. Advertise your skills online. You can film yourself doing the repairs to show potential customers what you can do. Human billboard. If you don't mind being a spinner or wearing a costume, then this is a good option. Facebook group or local newsletter. You can make money by selling directory listings and advertisements to local businesses. Interior decorating. Invest in websites. Buy a website that is already making money. Mobile laundry, ironing service. Many people hate ironing and they won't mind paying someone else to do it. Junk hauling service. As long as you have a van or truck, you can start right away. You can even sell some of the junk. Transcription service. This is a work from home business. Find gigs on sites like rev.com. Flyer distribution. Some businesses will pay you to distribute their flyers from door to door. Oil changing service. Save people a trip to the shop by bringing the service to them. Checkyourmechanic.com. Modeling. Find stock photographers looking for subjects. TV, movie extra. Find movie extra jobs on platforms like Auditions Free or Central Casting. Moving service. Help people carry their stuff if you're usually free on weekends. Mystery shopping. Being a mystery shopper can earn you a lot of money. Some people make more than $10,000 a year. Plan a bundle sale. You will get a percentage of the money as the organizer. Host trivia nights. Find restaurants and bars looking to hire a host for their trivia night. Party, event planning. This is a great side hustle for people with amazing organizational skills. Rent out baby gear. Make money using the baby stuff you no longer use on babyquip.com. Personal chef. If you can cook but you think opening your own restaurant is too much work, try hireachef.com and cook for families or events. Personal training. Find people looking to lose weight and help them. Pet grooming. Start a mobile grooming service for pets. Photography service. If you're passionate about photography, why not use it to make money? Product licensing. Your ideas are not worthless. Sell the rights to big companies and earn money in the form of royalties. App development. Become a freelance app developer and get paid regardless of whether the app succeeds or not. Real estate wholesaling. Connect real estate investors with motivated sellers. You don't have to risk your cash. Sports officiating. Become an umpire or referee for recreational sports leagues. Rent a friend. Offer platonic companionship and get paid. Snuggling. If you don't know where to start, check out snugglebuddies.com. Software mogul. You can create something one time and sell it countless times. Teach music. Teach music to kids in your local town. Music licensing. License stock music and make money. Teach yoga. You need certification and expertise, but it is a fun side hustle. Tour guide service. Check out toursbylocals.com and vayable.com. Translation, interpretation. You can start looking for jobs on Upwork. Travel agent service. Help other people know where they can get the best experiences and deals. Vehicle advertising. Put advertising wrap on your vehicle and get paid for it. Vending machines. This is a nice passive stream of income. Voiceover acting. If you are lucky, this could even become a lucrative full-time gig. Web design service. Look for poorly designed websites and offer to improve them at a fee. Window cleaning service. Spend your weekends cleaning windows to boost your income. Work on Mechanical Turk. This is an Amazon service via which you can complete micro jobs for companies. Yard work service. Many homeowners will be happy to pay you to maintain their yard. Host a YouTube channel. You can earn a lot of money through ads. Storage unit auctions. This is like treasure hunting. Local rental business. You can rent out unconventional stuff like portable hot tubs. Pet waste removable. Someone has to do it. You can be that someone and make money. Frequently asked questions. What's a side hustle? It is a gig, other than your day job, that earns you money. What side hustle is best for me? That depends on your experience, interests, and skills. What side hustles are the most popular? Real estate investing, network marketing, and freelancing. How do I start a side hustle? Start slow and grow as you find more customers. Why do I need a side hustle? You build extra skills and earn more money. Please subscribe.